flexibility, Neo is a glimpse into a new kind of luxury EV. The Jaguar XJ returns in 2026 as a bold, all-electric flagship. No retro, just reinvention. A 95 kW battery and twin motors deliver 600 horsepower and a 0-60 time of 3.1 seconds. Luxury with a sporting edge. Predictive performance mode learns your driving style and road conditions, tailoring the car's response for a bespoke feel. The interior blends open-pore wood, recycled carbon fiber, and minimalist design. Classic British craftsmanship meets modern tech. Rear seats offer a business-class lounge, reclining, massaging, with a wood tray table, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi. The fastback silhouette, pixel LED headlights, and full-width rear light bar make a dramatic, futuristic statement. Jaguar's sound designers have created a unique electric voice for the XJ, with noise cancellation and dynamic soundscapes. The new XJ is for those who want British style, sporty driving, and the latest tech, all in a reinvented legend. 2026 isn't just another year for electric cars, it's the year luxury EVs set a new industry standard. Solid-state batteries, ultra-fast charging, and advanced autonomy are converging in real cars, not just concepts. Sustainable luxury is now the norm, with materials like mycelium, leather, and recycled plastics defining opulence. These breakthroughs mean luxury EVs aren't niche, they're the new benchmark for performance, tech, and responsibility. The future of luxury driving is electric, and it's arriving faster than anyone imagined. The bar has been raised, forever. Which of these next